Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix AirPlay not connecting on your Samsung The Frame TV. So if you're trying to connect to your TV using your iPhone, using for example, the screen mirroring feature, and you try to connect your TV, but your Samsung isn't able to connect to your TV, first of all, check the settings application, go to all settings, then in all settings select connection and select Apple AirPlay settings, and if you cannot select it, then turn on your Wi-Fi and make sure that both your iPhone and your TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. It can be two different bands like 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band, but still it should be the same Wi-Fi network. It has to be the same Wi-Fi network. Then go to connection, then go to Apple AirPlay settings and make sure that the airplane is on, and also if this doesn't if your AirPlay is on and your devices are both on the same network, you can reset pair devices, unpair them, and then try to pair with your TV once again using your iPhone. So let's swipe down the control center, open screen mirroring, and then provide the code that you see on the screen, and your devices will be successfully connected. And so that's it. That should resolve your problem. That should resolve most of the issues basically. I really hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.